Hey, how are you, my friends? Quickly wanted to, this will be a very short video, and wanted to share one of my learning that I learned from one of my friend who has been in trading for quite some time, more than 15 years, played in crores. So I explained him one of my trade today, which eventually turned into a loss. And he told me one very important concept, and I thought immediately I should share it with all my friends out here, because I want to cut short your journey into making consistent profits. So that has been my objective. That has been the objective of this YouTube channel, and also to all of my friends out there. By the way, how are you doing today? Comment below. If you're doing excellent, say excellent. And how's your trading going on? What are the top challenges that you are facing? Is it in selecting a stock, or not knowing which strategy to apply? So if you are worried about which strategy, check out my crude oil strategy, inside bar strategy, which is doing excellent. There it is giving a lot of profits. And the coming back to the lesson that I learned today is, in one of our strategy, what we do is we take a trade when the candle closes above and high of this. But when I took this trade, which eventually resulted into 985 rupees loss. Yeah, by the way, this is a live trading journal, my friends. I'm just checking with a small account here. So I told him that I took a trade, and he told me a very important lesson. Shankar, till the time this 3 minutes high low is not broken, don't trade, because it will eventually, there are high chances, high probability, there is no guarantee and warranties in trading, but there is high chance that this will go in the range bound. So if you look at 30,600 PE, or anything for that matter, 30,700 PE, or even Bank Nifty futures. So since the high and low is not broken or taken, it's probably not a good idea to take a trade here, because the probability of you making profits will be lesser. The trade going in your favor will be lesser. So I just thought of sharing this with you. If you found this useful, like this video. If you did not find it useful, just dislike it. I'm fine. And what did you learn from this? Just comment below. And what do you want me to make the next video on? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. See you till the next video. Goodbye.